Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo explain how Lagos was built by Ndị Igbo. After Lagos was proclaimed as the capital those days, he said that Igbos move in and start closing water and building house. No be small thing, no, as they talk that one, they say most of Igbo landlord, most of them still dey hospital because of the house where they demolish for inside that place. As that one they happen, they say that the vice president will be Shetima. He say he don't visit Anambra State, come commission some certain things for Anambra State. And this visit there, they tell and say make it then go release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring peace for Southeast. Be smart. My people, we'll go find how this thing take happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And if you know say you never give this channel a follow, may you quickly do so and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we dey here they bring her back to back update as they hot. Let's quickly go and jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say that Ohanaeze Ndị Igbo don't come outside and explain how Igbos develop Lagos, and that the Lagos should stop treating Igbo as a people who come to take their land, because Igbos has been in Lagos. They say that Lagos is a capital of Nigeria. Then Igbos move to Lagos and start developing Lagos. He says some areas today they are hearing in Lagos was developed by Ndị Igbo. But as that one they happen, so many people don't come outside. Can't they tell them say why Igbos go develop other man land where we say their own land, bushes still there. However, let's go and watch the video before we come back. Can talk more about the update.
So when Lagos was accepted as capital of Nigeria, Igbos, most of them are dead today, our forebears, they rose to the challenge. Challenge of that time is investment. Investment, massive investment to make the capital Lagos a proper, a fitting headquarters for Nigeria. That's how Igbos scattered all over. That's how Igbos moved into Lagos. By a sense of patriotism, Igbos came into Lagos. They found some swampy lands. They bought the land. Igbos, when they came to Lagos, they never came there to take anybody's property. They came there. They saw empty. They bought the land. They converted swampy lands to habitable places. They built businesses, they built homes, they built schools, they developed Lagos. In effect, without the enterprise, without the patriotism of Igbos, of Nigerians like the Igbos, many other Nigerians did the same. But it will appear, because of population, Igbos were in large number. But these pioneers, these our forebears, are the heroes of the time. The heroes of what we call today a very strong Lagos. When they came there, Lagos was basically swamp, but they converted it to very wonderful, beautiful headquarters we see today in Nigeria. I want on this occasion to salute our forebears.
We are going to read that so many comments that follows this video. Some are asking why Igbo cannot develop their own land and make it more beautiful, more than Lagos, so that and they build a business centers that will attract all Africans and the world in Igbo land. That will be more better. That one na common sense. So that sense where Igbos use they do business, develop other people land, develop Kano, develop Kaduna, develop Lagos, develop. Why not them do it in Anambra, Enugu, and Imo, and all the whole Southeast? Why not do it there in Ebonyi, so that Ali Igbo will attract more investors, more businessmen, attract more international business, so that those things that happen in Lagos can happen. And let's also move and play you this video for you to hear what this landlord that own a building where the Lagos government have demolished are saying. Let's play the video for you to watch before we come back and proceed.
We are homeless. Some people are now in the hospital because of the trauma. Do you know that some of us were given only 1 hour in the wee hours of the night to vacate our houses? And if you refuse, they will throw tear gas in your room, in your houses. They don't even want to know whether there are newborn babies in that house. My windscreen, the windscreen of my car got broken, and I had a black eye because I asked them, why should they be here by this time? See, I want you to also know that there are another dimension to this matter. There are land racketeering in Lagos FHA here. I don't see the reason why a contravention bill will be issued to us and we are responding. We are paying. As I am talking to you, I have receipt of payments I made. I have contravention issued to us. But the Lagos FHA here turned a deaf ear. They are breaking those houses to give it to other people that may have paid, or people they want to reallot the land to. They are claiming that those people had that allocation donkey years ago. They have never proven that.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smarty, no. I say you don't hear them. But the question we will ask, we say Lagos government where the demolish people has, and most of these people say they get the document, the everything for the house. And the thing is that in Nigeria, they can never get justice. Nothing will be done. OT law. Nigeria, they will never get justice. So, they know if people will get mind, they bring mansions down. Why they go send whether small pikin inside or not? They don't want to know. And these things are happening to some people. Don't say, no be only Igbo people live there. Who tell you say now maybe if you know be Igbo, we live for those areas where they come out and speak out. My property is there also. They know what they are doing. They know the people who live all those areas. They know what they are doing. And this is how they render these people useless, because they render them. So most of them don't have where to start. I'm telling you now, so you can hear it from their mouths. So now so it be. Yeah, my people, I want me to leave your own opinion for inside comment section regarding this information where I bring you now. Let's also quickly jump into this matter where we'll get for hand today. The visiting of Shetima in Igbo land, in Biafra land, in Anambra. Let us play you the video for you to watch before we come back and proceed.
Vice President Kashim Shettima is visiting the Southeast region for the first time since assuming office, and Oraifite community in Ekusigo local government area of Anambra State is his first host. It's a cheering moment for these students whose school is just around the helipad. The Vice President's first task in Oraifite is the commissioning of an electric meter manufacturing factory aimed at bridging the gap in access to prepaid meters in Nigeria. He restates the current administration's commitment to revamping the power sector as he underscores the integral role of the private sector in nation building. Next is the commissioning of a community radio established to promote the Igbo culture and language while also promoting national cohesion.
Our indigenous languages are on the verge of extinction because of the corrosive effect of Western cultural imperialism. This station will serve the very purpose of safeguarding our rich cultural heritage.
I want to commend you and then charge you to live up to the basic tenets the objectives of the radio station.
From the radio station to the venue of the presentation of food items and other gifts to widows, the Vice President is warmly received. Inside the hall, Vice President Kashim Shettima makes symbolic presentation of keys to widows who are beneficiaries of a free housing scheme by one of their sons in the States.
This visit today is giving us hope, more especially the widows and the less privileged in our society. And we are grateful that he's here in Anambra State to identify with us.
The Vice President's helicopter takes off from Oraifite afterwards to inspect the gully erosion sites in Anambra State. In a statement later issued by his media aide, Mr. Stanley Nkwocha, the Vice President pledges the support of the federal government to address the challenge and improve on infrastructures in the area. This visit by the Vice President, according to the people here, has ignited hope in them and the belief in the center, knowing that the federal government cares about their welfare. However, they have some issues that they also want the federal government to attend to.
The Southeast economy is going down. Every Monday we sit at home, something causes it. So the federal government can come as a big father and put an end. Solve whatever is the problem.
There are only two challenges. We have two major challenges: security and road. And security alone, we cannot solve it alone. We need federal government intervention. The governors of Southeast are trying, they have done their best. But federal government need to assist them.
The assurance given by Vice President Kashim Shettima is an impetus for the people to believe that more benefits from the federal government are expected to come to the Southeast region in the days ahead. Emperor Simon, Channels Television News.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smarty, no. They say that Shettima don't visit Anambra, come commission some things, and people for there don't tell and say make sure say they go release Nnamdi Kanu, because now you go bring peace for Southeast. And you now see these people know wetin they do. You see, these politicians, they know wetin they do. But however, only message we want send for na here na to release Nnamdi Kanu. And if Nigeria don't want Southeast, let Southeast be. Full stop, let Southeast be. Southeast can survive 100 times with what they have. If people know all these things very, very well. So all this helicopter flying down is not what Southeast need now. What Southeast need is to release Nnamdi Kanu immediately in good health, so that he can rejoin his family and also give the Biafran people a referendum. Give them a referendum. Let people decide their fate in that country called Nigeria. This is what they really need now. Yeah, my people, make sure say you share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow this page. Very, very important, because we are here to update you of anything where they happen. Thank you so much. We will see you for the next updates.